thought so. I always get my Okay, all right. Sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, how cute. Sorry. And, yep.
Justin.
What?
These are called, that large tree up there? That large tree right there?
Right here?
That's a live oak.
Much better.
Ooh.
And it's called that because when the settlers landed in Virginia, it still had its leaves in the winter. So it's called a live oak. It's native to this part of the country. So they hold up real well during a hurricane and they're very well suited to the climate. And they grow pretty quickly when they're young and then they slow down. But those are the kind of trees that you see in southern cities with the moss hanging off them. They're wavy, pretty branches.
And they hang off of the live oaks.
Yeah.
Oh.
They'll hang off of other trees, but that's what they take pictures of. So you see those large old trees with the wavy type of branches, because they get that way.
Oh, yeah, let's go there.
And here is the Historical Society and the hotel, which was a hotel originally. Huge lift bridge.
We have more champagne for you, Andres. Yeah, maybe.
And lots and lots of coral rock. And hard sandstone. Big lift bridge for the trains to cross.